Yes, good morning, good people. Folks, EZRA ONDARA here, about to present an apartment featuring 1 and 2 bedroom units at White House Estate. Yes, White House. EZRA naweza pata 1 bedroom White House. Nimeulizwa hiyo swali mara kama 1000. Okay, more than 1 bedrooms. You know, that's something I've been saying since last year, kwamba more than 1 bedrooms zinakosekana hapa Nakuru. But here at Dankings Apartment, at least they have helped to solve that crisis. Now they have 1 bedroom units and they also have 2 bedroom units. Okay, so Dankings Apartments at White House Estate, you know, at least, and especially these units, they're in the affordable range. Okay, because a 1 bedroom is 13,000 Kenya shillings. A modern spacious 1 bedroom, you go inside utaona. 2 bedrooms, they have them in 2 versions. There is one for 18,000 and there's another one for 22,000. Space matters. Sawa. So now let's just go about, maybe before tuendelee, whatever you are seeing, you know, in that shot, that is the White House Estate. White House from Nakuru CBD is just a matter of 2.5 km, and you are here, place here 30 bob, you know, jioni na morning hours ndo 50, lakini mchana 30 bob tu pale matatu, umefika town. I mean, White House, that is why it's actually one of the most sought after places for apartments in Nakuru. Alright, so what's more about Dankings Apartment? Maybe tuanze tu kuangalia units ndani, and then any other information I'll share as we keep going. Subscribe to EZRA ONDARA TV for more house hunting tours from Nakuru and beyond the city, and even in Nairobi now. Alright, so let's start with a 2 bedroom unit. Very well, so I am up here on the penthouse. Okay, they're not really penthouse, but the last units. You know, for me, like I always tell you, the higher, the better. Well and good. So let's start with presenting a sample unit here, Dankings Apartment. So for this particular unit here, nimeshika rangi. Sasa hujaniambia fundi. Painter. So these doors, you know, they have fresh paint. So nimeshika rangi hapo. Well and good. Okay, sawa. Nitajiosha tu. Ama unapanguza aje? Ini turpentine. Spirit itanisaidia?
Ndio.
Okay, sawa. Now niko kwa spirit manenos. We were about to go. I was about to hold that door just to describe how. Thank you. At least naona imetoa ya. Sijajua hapo ni fresh paint manzi.
Uko unataka kufunga hiyo mlango?
Niko nataka kurudisha. Sawa, na hii huko juu. Hii hapa kwa kidogo. Like panguza tu hivi itulie. All right, now let's go. Okay, so after that little hiccup, and how you made me. So this is a sample 2 bedroom apartment at Dankings Apartments at White House. Now, let's start with the floor space there. Tile work, naona ziko poa, si ndio? Alafu the paint work pale, iko poa pia throughout the entire house. You know, that's the choice. Alafu, something I've liked here, you know, those are downlights hapo, the central one. And then they have some wall lamps there, you know, like in such a manner, you know, just to beautify the apartment. Well, let me light. Nice. You see, that's how they come on. Sindio? Okay, that's how zinawaka. So that's just a sample. Alafu now, once again, even this one, the central one pia imewaka pale vile nimefinya. Well and good. Now, important in rental apartments ni power sockets jameni. So niko na hizi hapa. Alafu kuna zingine ile pande. Okay? Alafu hapa pia ndo kuna the cable, the port for your TV, and they actually have DSTV. The dishes ziko huko juu, nitawaonyesha pale pia nikifika. So ukiingia hapa, it is a matter of plug and play. Now, I just love the way the lounge is so spacious. Okay, this lounge here, I just love the way how massive it is, and the fact that they have done an open kitchen, so it even allows in more natural light, you know, thanks to windows on that end, and of course another massive window on this end. Sawa. So if I'm renting here, mimi nakuja tu hii hapa juu jameni. Okay, for me, like I always say, the higher the better. Now, let me show you that space of the lounge from this end. Okay, these guys have done some spacious apartments here. That is just the space of the lounge from where I am standing. Hizi ni massive, you know, for 22,000 Kenya shillings, na kuna zingine za 18,000 Kenya shillings. They are huge. So now let me just pull back namna hii, alafu tujipate jikoni. I've told you it's an open kitchen. Okay, now cabinetry, you can see zile za overhead, alafu kuna zingine huku chini, you know, just beneath the worktop spaces pale. More on this end, you know, the cabinetries. Now that space pale, kwa wale watu ambao wako na 6 burner mnaweza leta. Lakini now here ukiweka kuka hapa, this cabinetry ya mwisho hapa inaweza kuwa sasa like out of use. Okay, ukiweka vitu pale, ama mnaonaje? Especially if you put a 6 burner, ile ya kule mwisho sasa hautaweza kufungua, and that's where the lazy Susan comes in. But hapa wajaka lazy Susan, hizo zinekanga kwa homes for sale. Now I love the worktop spaces, you know, nicely done. Wameweka nini tiles pale, you know, not granite tops, wameweka tiles. Yeah, I mean it's looking beautiful, it's okay. The wall tiles again in the kitchen pale, looking good. They have done a double sink here, okay, as you can see, sindio? Double sink. Now I told you there's a window there, and this door going to the balcony huko inje. Now the apartment itself is actually at a great location. Imagine from here you are seeing the entire of White House, but I just wanted to show this is the balcony. Now remember I'm on the penthouse, so for the penthouse hapa hivi kwa balcony they did the terrazzo. However, for the units, unaona hizo za chini wameweka tiles. I don't know if you can see those units across there. The balconies for those units, you see those ones, zile ziko na tiles, okay? Lakini hizi za juu ku penthouse waliweka terrazzo. Now from here, like I was telling you, that is White House. You know, you have White House in front of you. White House hapa. In fact, there is a school across there. Okay, there is a school just across there. There is also a church, Christian Revival Church, unaona pale. Mboita Hotels iko pale. You know, that one is Mboita Hotels. Unaweza kuwa unaenda pale, you know, to have coffee, to have a drink na wageni wako. Alafu kwenda kule juu, kwenda milimani kule, 7 Heights Apartments kule mwisho, Basswood Apartments. White House kuna life, you know, even when I did Nakuru Beyond the City White House, niliwaambia this is a place with an urban vibe, you know, huku hakuna mashamba. Ukiangalia all over, you know, it is developed, this place, except maybe kale kakopale, I think nika space kadogo, ila hata itoshi 50 by 8 jameni. But most of White House is developed, you know, there is no space ya mashamba huko White House. Most of it is actually developed. So now this penthouse unit has again this advantage of more space there, you know, so mwenye atakuja kuishi hapa, mwenye utangukie unit hapo hivyo, mnawezeka bike za watoi ama hata yako, you know, some folks have bikes as well. I mean vitu kama hizo, you know, extra storage for your items. I'm still on the balcony here, and then this one has this door which takes you to the rooftop pale, and there are 2 rooftops. This is the first rooftop, then there is another rooftop again, mahali ambapo unaweza kuhang your clothes. I mean if I'm coming here, kama hii jenda, mimi ni hii ndo naweza chukua jameni. The higher the better, and at least it has those extra advantages, si ndio? Now okay, so one more time tukitoka hapa sasa tunaelekea bedrooms. Right, spacious 2 bedrooms at a budget. Hii 2 bedroom ingekuwa Naka unaambiwa 30,000, lakini hapa White House 22,000. Now, kitu kingine wamenifurahisha hapa kwa hii nyumba, it is this common space hapa. Unaona hiyo space hapo? Okay, even for somebody ambaye ako worried about to install their washing machine, these days I've seen folks installing their washing machines using these provisions hapa. Unaisimamisha tu mahali pale, alafu si kuna waste duct of course inakuanga mahali hapo ya kupeleka maji. I think so, but I've seen folks, you know, doing that. Even at my home, mimi nimefanya hivyo. Nimeweka tu hapo kando ya sink, nika connect in a way, just get a professional and you know, they will connect your washing machine hapo vizuri. So that common space hapo, you know, it's like it's big enough inakuallow hata kuweka washing machine and other stuff pale, you know, maybe ndoo ya nguo chafu, maybe shurak, I don't know. I mean, whichever means you want to use this space, but I just love the fact that it is there. Now, this is the common toilet. By the way, this 2-bedroom is master and suite. This is the common bathroom, okay, with a toilet seat and of course with a shower head hapo juu. Nice tile work again on the walls pale, you know, inakaa murwa, si ndio? Aya, now from here we are going wapi? to the bedroom sasa. Okay, let me just stand here again. And I also like the fact that they did not put a door, an actual door at this entrance. You know, this is good. Somebody else angeongeza tena mlango hapo. Now this place becomes even dark. But yeah, good. So let's go to the bedrooms. Let's start with the guest bedroom. Okay, this one here, this is one of them. I want you to see the whole space. Let me just funga hizi milango hivo, those wardrobes hivo. Now, so there it is. All right, there it is, the guest bedroom. Sawa sawa, there it is, the guest bedroom. This one is slightly smaller than another one on that end. The one on the opposite pale ni massive, inatosha bed mbili. But even this one actually inatosha bed mbili za 4x6. But the other one on the other end ni spacious. In short, ukikuja tu hapa utatembea unit zote and then utachagua ile unit ambayo unapenda. So ndio hiyo guest bedroom hapo, alafu wardrobes pale, you know, more than enough, you know, or rather enough, you know, this is okay. You know, this is okay for two residents kuweza kutumia these wardrobes hapa, si ndio? Folks wananiambianga so ufungue tuone vile wamepanga. Okay, so that's how they have partitioned the wardrobes hapa, you know, which is good, si ndio? That's how it's looking. Okay, so wacha tufunge hivi alafu tuelekee ile pande mwingine. So floor space hapo nimekuambia bed mbili za 4x6 bado zitatosha even in this one, but I've seen another unit ambayo iko na a bigger guest bedroom than this. Nitakupatia tu sneak peek ya hiyo unit on the other end. And then you have now the master bedroom here, acres of space. So this master bedroom is just slightly bigger than that guest bedroom. So you can imagine even in the master bedroom as well, for those who have a king bed, you know, you are sorted here. You know, here you are sorted. Let me stand here. You just have a look at that space. I'm standing kwa mlango ya bathroom hapa kwa master bedroom. Just look at that immense, you know, space hapo, you know. Yeah, that's how things are looking. You know, that's how things are looking in the master bedroom. Okay, and of course on that end ile mlango ndo inatupeleka wapi? To the cloak room pale. Now again you can see, you know, White House pale from this window. Now the fact that there are no other apartments built around this apartment, this is actually the only apartment that is standing out at this location. So you guys are going to enjoy natural light until maybe zingine zianze kujengwa around, you know. Now that is the cloak room of the master bedroom, again with the essentials hapo nini, you know, with the essentials ambazo unahitaji kuoga, ukuwe msafi, uende kazi, si ndio? Yes. Alright. Mnasemaje jameni? Tell me, how do you find these units here? They are spacious for me, they are simple, you know, they are simplistic. You know, you can just, simplicity is about, you know, the overall look of the home. Like in the master bedroom here, you know, looking around the walls, you know, nice paintwork, you know, you look at the floor tiles, easy, you know, you look at the wardrobes pale, simple, you know, it is a simple and spacious 2-bedroom units hapa White House. Iko tu na simplicity fulani mzuri. You know, it has a certain nice simplicity. Okay? So, kwa wale anatafuta tu nyumba ya kurent, 2-bedroom, well, my number is on the screen. Aya, wacha tuangalie ingine ya huku kwingine. Let's look at this other one. I think this is the one for 22. Okay? But don't worry. Kuna ya 22, kuna ya 18, na kuna 1 bedrooms za 13. So this is the other one. I just want to go and check the guest bedroom. All of them, they are open kitchen. Kuna moja iko na guest bedroom huge, humongous. Let me see this. More or less the same. Niko hapa kwa guest bedroom. More or less the same. And the master bedroom on this end, oof, that's some space, man. This is huge. But yeah, more or less the same anyway. You know, more or less the same. This is another unit hapa. Just see, you know, this is beautiful. You know, this is nice. It's simple. Hakuna madoido mingi, you know. Hakuna madoido mingi. Simplicity tu hapa hivi. Aya, let's go and see a sample 1-bedroom apartment. Let's go and see a sample 1-bedroom. So 1 bedroom ziko on the other block. So we have 2 blocks here. tuko na block 2. 1 bedroom ni za ile pande. Sawa, 1 bedroom ni za kule. So twende kwa 1 bedrooms. Alright, over to the 1 bedroom side. They took a unique plan here. Okay, it caught me by surprise actually. So now every unit has got this, gate here. Okay, it has this exterior gate, and then when you come in like this, so that space there is the laundry area. All right, that space, and that door goes to the washroom. Now they're still doing some cleaning. Okay, so the 1 bedrooms are not clean, but anyway, that is the space where you have the bathroom and the shower area. The toilet seat is on that end. Okay, now so if I close like that and go back here, now straight ahead. Okay, straight ahead. Sasa kutoka hapa nikienda hivi straight ahead, then I find now, this other door here, which is the main door to the house. So as you enter, that is the sitting room. That's the sitting room. As you enter, different tiles again from the one we saw in the 2 bedroom. And I can stand here again. We have a look at that space. I'm standing on the door that goes to the bedroom. Okay, and then if I come this side, that is the kitchen on that end. So we have a kitchen there, decent cabinetry, like that. And so worktop pale, more storage down there inside the kitchen. Okay, so they have also done a provision for a cooker in the kitchen too. Now, so standing here, that door takes us to the bedroom. And so there we have our bedroom. It's spacious. Okay, spacious. Even for those who have king size beds, you can always consider this apartment. You can consider a unit here if you have a big bed, So let me stand on this end. Yeah, let me stand on this end like that. Exactly. So 1 bedroom, it is that simple. I think I've gone to every room of this 1 bedroom. And folks, like I told you, they have DSTV here, or even Zuku, or even Star Times. Once you plug your TV hapa ndani, you can just search any signal you want and you run with that one, okay? Out of those 3 providers. All right, so mpaka hapo, let us conclude. Very well, so the 1 bedroom, 13,000 Kenya shillings. 2 bedroom, we have one for 22,000 Kenya shillings, and we have others for 18,000 Kenya shillings. I will be glad to bring you here, you book a unit for yourself. So mpaka hapo, subscribe to EZRA ONDARA TV for more house hunting videos from Nakuru and beyond the city, and even Nairobi now. All right.